Assalamu alaikum, my fellow Somalis. Today, we proudly celebrate 65 years since Somalia gained its Independence Day, when the north and south of Somalia united as one nation, one people, under one flag. Our freedom was earned through one struggle and sacrifice. We honor the heroes who fought for the Somali dream, and we carry their legacy forward. Somalia was born free, and with unity, peace and pride, Somalia will rise again. Happy Independence Day! Long live Somalia! Gul iyo gobannimo!